Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my other collection of toy gun. This time is semi-automatic handguns. Okay, here stated okay, USP universal self-loading pistol. Alright, okay, I have checked in the internet. These handguns okay, look alike exactly Heckler and Koch USP .45 ACP. Okay, but this one just a toy gun. Okay, made of plastic. Okay, using 6mm BB bullet. Okay, the bullet put here. Okay, the magazine just a dummy. Okay, cannot get pull out. Okay, so okay. Okay. Right. Very nice profile, although just a toy gun. Okay, very nice. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Hand grip. So this one that's a dummy. Okay. Okay. Very nice hand grip. Okay, made of 100% plastics. Okay, and very light. Alright. Okay, after this going to do some demo shooting. Okay. Okay guys, now let's do some demo shooting. Alright. Okay. Okay, this is the bullet. Okay, we're going to just use 3 bullet. Okay, it's all the same, just a different color. Yeah? Alright, we're going to use 3 bullet. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 bullet only. Right. Okay. Okay, we're going to take this just an ordinary A4 paper. Okay. Okay, I'm going to draw a circle here on this paper as our focus area. So we have put 3 BB bullets, so we are going to do 3 shots. Okay. Okay. Number 1. Okay. Okay. Penetrate. Okay. Second shot. Oops. The bullets come out. Sorry. Okay. We put it back. Alright. 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 Okay, penetrate. Right. Okay. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the three shots are able to penetrate this A4 paper. Okay, this toy gun is a USP handgun that look alike the real gun of HK USP .45 ACP, but this one just a toy. Okay, using 6mm BB bullet and made of plastics.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.